Hey guys! So today's video, I'm at work. Yes, I'm a post office. Madam. So let's just go to my locker really quickly to get my stuff done. I also work, I'm also a school student. I got an A today, which was really surprised to see because I always get an A or B at math. So this is really good. My mom also gave me a gift because of my grades. I was so excited what she brought me. I hope it's that dream bag that I wanted. Oopsies. I know I'll just put it there. It's kind of a long walk here, so I'll just drink one of my water bottles. Cold water. It's still cold. Just a little warm, I guess. Okay, let's see what's their order. I hope it's nothing that hard or that far. Oh, it's just near. That's kind of weird. Okay, now I'm done with this. Yes, I always do this first. I'll just put this here because of my uniform. Of course, I don't want to lose that. Why is there so many letters? Yeah, I didn't even do this. Maybe it's just the coworkers again. Hey, this is one for them. Oh, they're coming to pick it up? Okay. We just set the name. Okay, other order. I'll be here for some quite of time, so I'll meet you guys. There's only 3 orders today, which is kind of surprising. That's the last one. I'm finally gonna go home. Okay, let's go. Oh, the sun is out. Might be gonna enjoy the sun is out because later it's gonna be cold. I see Ming is asleep. Oh well. Yes, I brought some stuff. I found this. It's really cute. I thought it was really cute, so let's just put it there. No, I'm gonna put in my lamp collection. Yes! It's so beautiful. You know, I'm just gonna displace it. I'll just add this. It's really cute. I'm gonna add this stuff here because yeah. Okay, then let's just do this. So beautiful. Okay, the final reveal. It is. Oh my god. Oh my god, a new phone and a brand new wallet with a credit card, of course. Wait, do I have a wallet already? Nope. This is so helpful. Thanks, mom. I'll put my $1 inside. I know, right? I'm so poor. But who cares? So just put that there. Put this. Now I'll just organize this because I don't like it messy. Yes. We made our own letter today. I brought this from my best friend. It's actually really cute and I thought it's adorable. Put that, no, I don't. I'll put it that. Okay, now let's just put that there. Guys, now let's get dressed. I don't want to be in this uniform no more. Now I'm just gonna water and spray my plants. Okay, now these plants, my roses, this. Love you and you go crazy. I'm gonna eat pizza. It's so hard to do this sometimes because I have lots of plants. Another plain bedroom, but it's so aesthetic. Okay, now that one.
Oh, huwag ka malikot.
This, that.
Nalibig cellphone ko!
There we go. Okay, I'm finally done doing that stuff. Now just relax. Nothing relaxing for like, I don't know, 7 hours. Ah, oh my god. I never made a new account. Who is this? Hello? Is this a prank call? Cause I'm not really in the mood for prank calls. Who is this? What the heck? I'm not answering that phone again. You know, I'm changing accounts. Okay, so I'm done changing accounts. I got my new password and everything. And new, you know, that stuff. So I'll just put this away because it's kind of scary if anything will happen. Like, I don't know, 1 minute ago. So let's just go and make dinner. Changing into my pajamas. Ew, what's this? There's literally a mold. Ugh. Better take this out. Ugh. Oopsies. Adi! 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 Shh! Papa can... Oo nga. Oh man, ugh. Okay, I'm done filling this with water. I never know this could fill with the water. I was like, what? Okay guys, I'm done with my dinner now. I think that the it's called sinigang or adobo. I don't know what it's called in it's soup. Yes, it's not even lunch yet, and I just cooked soup. Well, in Philippines, we don't actually use soup as lunch. We use it like for the breakfast, sometimes lunch, and dinner. I know it looks like it's illegal, but here it's not. Okay? Okay, I'll get this towel. Just fill it up. Just like that thing. Mm. Where's that? Hi guys, that's the end of the video, but if you want more videos, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below what's next. Bye!